Okay, so HarborHue sent me this 3-in-1 giant beanbag chair. What you're going to want to do is unwrap it. Carefully go ahead and pull up that plastic. Because it's so vacuum sealed, you're going to want to go ahead and let it fully expand. It says in the instructions up to 72 hours. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this time here just so you can kind of see. It's going to kind of just start overflowing like a can of busted biscuits, okay? That's what it reminds me of. It just kind of slowly starts, getting fluffier and fluffier. Once it gets to that point, you can go ahead and take off the plastic completely, shake it around for about 20-30 minutes. Give it a good shake in, move it around, break up that stuff inside. What I love about it is the foam inside is really dense and good quality. It's not the squeaky little beads you used to get in the cheap bean bags, back in the 80s. This is legit shredded memory foam. As it started to rise, I could feel the chunks breaking apart easily with just a little bit of fluffing. I gave it a few shakes, flipped it over a few times, and within minutes, it started getting bigger and softer. The cover is really nice too. It's soft, cozy, and it's surprisingly thick. The stitching looks strong and the zipper moves smoothly. I love that the cover is machine washable because this thing is definitely going to get a lot of use. After about 30 minutes of fluffing and letting it breathe, it eventually turned into this huge, super comfy beanbag chair, like a take nap immediately kind of comfy. It molds around you in that memory foam way that feels supportive but still cushiony. There are 3 different ways you can sit in this. You can sit in it as a chair, you can lay on it as a bed, or you can sit on it almost like a hammock type of style. So after the unboxing, which was fun, and it fluffed up, which was super satisfying, the comfort level is honestly better than I expected. If you want one piece of furniture that works as a chair, a lounger, and a guest bed, this one checks all the boxes.